I'm Jerome Dita Bale. I'm here to discuss one of the CPU scheduling algorithm, which is round robin. Round robin is a preemptive version of first come first serve. It is having a time slice that process will enter the red queue after the time slice expired.
Here are my example. Process ID, arrival time, and CPU burst. You have 0 and 10, B as 4 and 2, W as 6 and 5, X is 9 and 3, Y is 10 and 6, and Z, which is 12 and 4. The time slice is 4.
I'm here to discuss the step-by-step process of round robin algorithm. So let's start. The time of 0, the process ID queue execute with 4 units and remaining CPU burst is 6. At the time of 4 arrives the process ID view and execute the 2 units. And the time left is 6, which finish the B. At the ready queue, you execute 4 units and its remaining time is 2. And X is arrived and Y arrived too. At the ready queue, W execute for 4 units and remaining CPU burst is 1. At the time of 14. At the time of 14, Z arrives at the ready queue and X execute for 3 units and finishes it at the time of 17. At the time of 17, Y execute for 4 units and remaining CPU burst is 2. At the time of 21, U execute 2 units and the time is 23. So next is at the time of 23, W execute for its remaining CPU burst and it finishes. At the time of 24, Z execute for 4 units and finish at the time of 28. So next is the last, which is Z, Y execute for 2 units and the remaining CPU burst is 0 and finishing the time equals to 30. So this is the how you compute the waiting time and turnaround time of the round robin algorithm. That's all, and I hope you learned something about my discussion.